Hello. Right, so I'm going to do one very quick example of what you could do with your building that you've created. So we have these different viewports. What we're going to create is just a surface onto which we're going to apply a simple texture. So we have a plan. We create a plan in the, so we take, for example, here, Alt W, we zoom out, and we create a plan. So this is our plan. Just for the sake of it, we'll make it look like it's a bit centered. Here we are. So we go back to our viewport, and you can see that we have different views, and we're going to use this one. It's a very simple thing to do. And then what you do, you apply it to different materials. So of course you press the letter M, and you choose, so of course we can do it differently. We can try to apply just some greenery. Okay, and you apply that to our object, and here we are, we have our building on the green grass. But you can do something a bit more interesting, and what you can do is download a map, for example. So if you go here and you open that, yeah, there it is, and instead of looking at this, you look, for example, you put Liverpool map. So we're looking for a map, and here's a map. We could use, it's not very interesting. Which map? We need a map that's a bit interesting. So we look for a map. Okay, well, there's many. Oh, okay, this one is interesting. Yeah, okay, this one. So you open this, and we save it. So where's the problem? So we here, open image, and here's the image, and then we save image as, so it's Liverpool. Yeah, so it's Liverpool. Okay, now that we have this graphic, we can do something more interesting. So instead of having this, we can change this. We can have a bitmap, which is by file, and then we go here and we go to, I think it's in download if I remember. And it's Liverpool, and we open that, and then we can then have a look at that. Okay, so now what you can do is we can do something very simple. We could move the map around so you have the right scale, but we're going to be lazy. We're going to do something much simpler than that. We're just going to move the object around. So we move it around the XY plan, and let's say we're going to put it here. Oh yeah, it's going to be like an artificial island on the Mersey. Here it is, and that's basically how it's seen. As simple as that. So already, and that's a trick to use all the time. Don't make your life too complicated. You want to visualize a building or a project in context, download the background from the real context and add your object onto it. And that's simple as that. Thank you. So that's going to be example 33. Thank you very much. And you can play with that, and you can put different contexts, and you can put more interesting things than just what I've done. It's up to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.